Need to merge, split, or rotate PDF files without paying for expensive software? PDFsam Basic is a free, open-source tool that makes common PDF tasks quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, open PDFsam Basic from your desktop or Start menu. After a few moments, you'll see the main dashboard with several PDF tools. The available tools may vary slightly depending on your version, but the basic layout remains very similar. Next, select the task you want to perform. For example, you can choose Extract to save specific pages, Split to separate pages, Merge to combine multiple PDF files, or Rotate to change page orientation. Simply click the tool that matches the job you want to complete. Now click Add or drag and drop your PDF files into the application. Once they're loaded, you'll be able to adjust their order or configure additional options, depending on the selected tool. Take a quick look at the file list before continuing to make sure everything is correct. Depending on the tool you're using, choose the settings you want. For example, you can rearrange pages when merging or specify exactly where you want a PDF to be split. Reviewing these options first helps you get the exact result you're looking for. Once everything looks good, click the Run button to begin processing your PDF files. Most tasks only take a few seconds, depending on the size of your documents. PDFsam will notify you when the process is complete. Finally, open the Output folder to view your newly created PDF. Check that the document looks exactly the way you expected before sharing or saving it. So, with just a few clicks, you've successfully completed your PDF task, and that's how to use PDFsam Basic. Whether you're merging, splitting, rotating, or extracting PDF pages, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. It's an excellent free tool for handling everyday PDF tasks without complicated software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.